Are you in the market for an action camera but looking for something beyond the well-known GoPro brand? You're in luck. While GoPro has established itself as a leader in the action camera space, several impressive alternatives offer unique features, superior performance, and budget-friendly options. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best GoPro alternatives available today, highlighting their key specifications, strengths, and what sets them apart. Whether you're a casual adventurer or a serious filmmaker, there's an ideal camera waiting for you. Find all the product links mentioned in this video in the description box below. For more comprehensive details, visit our website consumerfinds.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell for the latest updates. Ready for the list? Let's jump right in. Number 5. AKASO Brave 7 LE, our find for best budget GoPro alternative. If you're searching for an action camera that won't break the bank, the AKASO Brave 7 LE is an excellent choice. Offering 4K video at 30 frames per second, it's perfect for capturing your weekend adventures without the high cost associated with premium brands like GoPro. This camera provides all the functionality you need for diving into action sports, hiking, or any outdoor activity. The Brave 7 LE comes with an impressive IPX7 rating, ensuring it can withstand rain and splashes, making it ready for outdoor use no matter the conditions. With bundles that include a protective case, you'll find it easy to access essential accessories often sought after by avid action camera users. One of the standout features is the dual screens, which allow you to easily take selfies and ensure you're framed perfectly in every shot. The 6-axis electronic image stabilization enhances your footage by smoothing out bumps, although it does mean a slight crop. Nevertheless, it ensures your videos have a professional touch. If you're on a tight budget but still want quality, the AKASO Brave 7 LE is a cost-effective solution for capturing all your memorable moments. This camera provides you the opportunity to embrace new adventures without sacrificing your financial goals. Embrace your thrill-seeking side and let the AKASO Brave 7 LE be your companion in documenting life's exciting experiences. Number 4. Insta360 Ace Pro, our find for best GoPro alternative for content creators. If you're seeking an action camera that truly suits your extreme sports lifestyle, the new Insta360 Ace Pro could be your ideal companion. This vlogging and action cam hybrid features a convenient hinge on the back, allowing you to adjust your angle easily without risking your safety during your adventures. It's designed for those who want to combine high-energy escapades with seamless storytelling. One standout feature of the Ace Pro is its impressive waterproof capability of up to 10 meters, eliminating the need for a bulky case. This means you can capture stunning underwater shots while engaging in thrilling activities like cannonballing into the ocean without worrying about your gear. Plus, co-branded with Leica, the Ace Pro boasts a 1-inch sensor that ensures exceptional image quality, making it a smart investment for serious creators. While the price may be higher than some competitors, the Ace Pro's low-light performance is commendable, even in challenging conditions. Capture vibrant footage during those moody winter days when others struggle to get clear shots. With video capabilities ranging from 8K at 24 frames per second to an impressive 240 frames per second in 1080p, your adventures will not just be recorded, they will be transformed into cinematic experiences. Get ready to elevate your storytelling and make your adventures unforgettable with the Insta360 Ace Pro. Still searching for the perfect GoPro alternative? Don't give up just yet. We've got more in store for you. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. DJI Pocket 2, our find for best GoPro alternative with gimbal stabilizer. If you're searching for a lightweight alternative to a GoPro that doesn't compromise on quality, the DJI Pocket 2 is your solution. This compact device fits easily into your pocket, yet it produces incredibly smooth footage that rivals professional equipment. With its built-in gimbal stabilizer, you can capture your adventures without the jittery effects often associated with handheld filming. Planning a group getaway? The 180-degree panorama mode allows you to effortlessly document stunning landscapes or those spontaneous moments with friends. You won't need to worry about framing your shots when using the Active Track 3 feature, which intelligently keeps your chosen subject centered in the frame, enabling you to focus on enjoying the experience rather than adjusting the camera. The Pocket 2 also boasts an impressive 8x zoom, allowing you to take clear, high-quality shots from a distance, ideal for avoiding those awkward selfies. Another standout feature is the AI editor, which automatically edits your clips to sync with your selected music, providing smooth transitions that elevate your videos to a professional level. Weighing only 117 grams, this powerhouse offers a remarkable 64-megapixel resolution and can shoot in 4K at 60 frames per second. Plus, with its water-resistant capability up to 60 meters, it's ready to tackle any adventure you embark on. Embrace the ease of filming your journeys and create lasting memories with the DJI Pocket 2. Your next adventure is just a click away. Number 2. OM Tough TG7. Our find for best optical zoom GoPro alternative. If you're ready to elevate your photography game beyond the standard GoPro experience, the OM Tough TG7 might just be the camera you've been seeking. This robust, waterproof compact camera offers a versatile optical zoom lens with a 25 to 100 mm equivalent range and a maximum aperture of f2 at the wide end, providing you with the creative flexibility to capture stunning shots during your adventures. While the TG7 is slightly bulkier than typical action cameras, its sturdy build ensures it can withstand a variety of conditions, making it ideal for everything from snorkeling with sea turtles to enduring challenging environments. Its proven durability has garnered praise from enthusiasts and competitors alike, solidifying its reputation in the market. In addition to its rugged design, the TG7 features smart connectivity options that allow you to control the camera and transfer files right from your smartphone. This modern functionality enhances your experience, giving you more control over your shots while adding a touch of convenience. Weighing in at just 249 grams, this camera is waterproof up to 15 m and capable of recording 4K video at 30 frames per second, making it a powerhouse for those who seek both quality and resilience. Embrace the tough TG7 as your reliable companion for unforgettable adventures and redefine how you capture the world around you. Before we unveil the top find, don't forget to explore the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And if you want to stay informed about the best products on the market, make sure to subscribe. Number 1. DJI Osmo Action 4, our find for best GoPro alternative overall. If you're looking for a compact action camera that can keep up with all your adventures without draining your wallet, the DJI Osmo Action 4 is your answer. This impressive device features a 155-degree field of view, allowing you to capture every thrilling moment. With the capability to record in stunning 4K at an impressive 120 frames per second, your high-speed shots will leave your friends in awe. For those challenging low-light situations, the Osmo Action 4 shines with its innovative 1/1.3-inch image sensor, ensuring that your footage looks exceptional, even in dim lighting. Built to withstand the elements, this durable camera can dive up to 18 meters underwater and perform in temperatures as low as 4 degrees Fahrenheit. It's truly designed for all-weather adventures. The camera is equipped with impressive features, including 10-bit color depth and advanced stabilization technology, enabling you to shoot with confidence from any angle. Plus, when you're short on time, the 30-watt fast charging ensures you can recharge quickly and get back to capturing your adventures. Additionally, the action camera is compatible with a range of accessories, making it easy to integrate into your existing setup without breaking the bank. So whether you're hitting the slopes or exploring underwater, the DJI Osmo Action 4 is ready to help you turn every outing into a stunning visual story. Are you ready to elevate your adventure photography? That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe. And let us know in the comment which GoPro alternative you are going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.